Introducing Vector Shift Matrix and Vector Shift Matrix Pro. Sometimes some of the most simple things are the best things in life. This thing is absolutely amazing. It has taken a while to build. It looks very simple. What it's doing in the background is not simple, but let me give you a little show. These arrows are being plotted by these flips from bull vector to bear vector, okay? That is your chance to scalp. This is the scalper's wet dream. We had a member today using 10-second candles on NQ, pulling 80 ticks at a time, taking these moves down here just like this with the arrows. You also have the probability factor, which is a percentage from 0 to 100%. And I honestly, from my back testing, anything over 80% typically goes. Once it hits 100%, you know you're on a full-on run. Let's move on to the pro version. All right, and this is the pro version, and most indicators give you another line or arrow and another reason to chase price. Vector Shift Matrix Pro is different. It's 4 engines. Pay attention. It's the vector, this, surge, edge pulse, and real flow are all inside of this thing. They organize direction, readiness, expansion, and exhaustion in one read on TradingView or NinjaTrader. Now, let's start with the matrix. You got the green up. So the green cell means, guess what? Bullish. The red cell means we're in bearish. And if you look at this lineup right here, you're going to see that align right there. Now, what these diamonds mean is we had the flip. The circle means everything aligned, okay? So I want you to look over here on this part right here. I'm going to zoom in on it. First, you have your percentage right here, right? That's normal, just like the standard version. But we also have this mode right here where it says phase. Right now, we're in no trade zone, just like Edge Pulse would tell you, okay? It also has expansion, armed, building, exhausted, etc., reloaded. So when you get those things like reload, that means that we're going to pull back and it's still valid and we're going to go. And all these little green things are going to light up, and that's going to tell you, hey, it's time to go. It'll say armed, it'll start blinking, it'll do things. And all you need to do is just read the guide so you understand exactly what each one means. But when you see expanded or reloaded, that means it's time to get it, right? And it's also it's smart. It's gonna know if we're getting into exhaustion, and when it says exhaustion, that means it's time to manage the trade. That means it's time to start trailing your stop loss. So this thing's gonna let you know if you even need to move your stop loss based on what's going on the chart. Instead of just trailing for no reason and getting stopped for no reason, it's gonna say, hey, the move's becoming exhausted. That means manage your trade, move your stop loss up. Okay. So that's what Pro is going to do for you. Now, setup Q, this is a quality. It's telling you if the from 0 to 100, if the quality is there for the trade to begin with. And then alignment, if you have 6 out of 6 aligned, that's going to go into that. Now, this thing, when you start getting, it'll start flashing and saying armed and stuff like that at you. And so you know that, hey, it's time to get ready to go. And it has alerts, probably going to build in some sound so that it gets your attention even more. But again, this one, Pro, has not been released yet. It's a standard has, and but this one is still being worked on. Still got some work to do to it. Trying to figure out if we should create some sounds for it. And then this one is only going to be available to FLB Pro subscribers. And this thing's the real deal, guys. This is taking a while to build this and figure this out. And all of our oscillators have been planned up to this point to build this thing. So it's coming out real fast. The standard version is out. Go get it. Go download it. It's in your control center. It's in your TradingView, and play with it and go back test with it. If you have any questions, let me know. Just give you a little demonstration, a little playback of what this thing's doing. Here we go. We're just gonna put it on max for a second here. Kind of just give you an idea of what it the Pro does. It looks it's simple to use, but there's a lot going on in the background here. There's your armed, and then about 1,000 times speed right now. Holy crap. Kind of a super choppy day, so it didn't have a bunch of going on there, but you'll see that the different things are changing and it's moving and stuff, and the percentages are changing. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it does.